Before we hop in, I wanted to just thank you all for you guys' support and to let you all know that I will be an ambassador for Shea Moisture for their SheaBassador program for 2019. Today's video will be featuring 2 products from my first SheaBassador box. So, on to the video. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So in today's video, I will be featuring Shea Moisture products. If you do not already follow me on Instagram and Twitter, please go follow me at Iconic Beauty. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to subscribe, and for any comments, leave them down below. So first, I'll be going in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. This is a gentle, sulfate-free clarifying shampoo that removes buildup while infusing hair with moisture. This is ideal for all hair types, including natural, chemically treated, and heat-styled hair. Now, I am going in with this shampoo on like 6-7 day old hair. Like, I've literally had these twists in my hair for like 6 days because I literally had nowhere to go. So it just stayed in my hair, and as you can see, it lathers up so well. Now, I did try the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line prior, and I loved it. When I first big chopped my hair, this was the first line that I tried. I tried the shampoo, the leave-in, and the mask, and it did wonders for my hair. Next is just a second application of the shampoo, and by the second application, it lathers up even more than the first time. The first time did well, but the second time just even does better. So I'm making sure that my scalp gets clean, and you will see later on in the video how clean my scalp got. Now I am just untwisting the twist in sections, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the conditioner. Now, I already knew how this shampoo was going to operate, but listen, my hair is so soft. For a shampoo, it's so freaking soft. So next, I will be applying the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner. It is formulated with an ultra nourishing blend of 100% virgin coconut and shea oils, coconut milk, and Acacia, Senegal. This daily conditioner revitalizes lackluster hair, leaving it soft and silky. This conditioner can be used on all hair types and can also be used as a co-wash. So if you guys want to see me use it as a co-wash, like this video and let me know down below in the comments. As I'm applying the conditioner, I am using the prayer hands motion, and then I will follow up with more conditioner in between the sections to make sure that I get it through every strand throughout my whole entire head. So now I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair, and I do not detangle in sections because it just takes too much time. I will say that the conditioner doesn't give you much, at least for me, it didn't give me much slip. It wasn't really slippery while detangling, but it still got the job done. I was able to still comb through without any issues, but it just wasn't the most slippery to my hair. Now there was minimal shedding, but there was like white residue from detangling my hair, and I don't know if it was because of the shampoo and conditioner combination, but as you can see, after rinsing out the conditioner, my scalp and my hair was really clean. So I guess it was just from combing out and detangling my hair that it created that white residue, but it didn't leave nothing behind after rinsing it out. This will conclude my wash day featuring Shea Moisture. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. And until next time, bye guys.